I don't know too many of the Bollywood gossips. Marriage has kind of sobered me up. It would undoubtedly be Saif Ali Khan. My one-liners are a lot of fun.
Beauty or natural? Well, that's what comes to my mind standing right next to Kareena Kapoor over here. Now, and we meet again, Kareena. So what we are going to do is pun on the word natural is what I am thinking of. So if I'm talking about natural beauty, apart from you, who would you bracket in this particular slot?
Oh God, natural beauty. Names, I'm very bad at all this. So I'm quite picky and choosy with my choices, so I don't know, who would be as natural. There have been very few actresses who've really been natural. I think someone like a Kajol is, somebody I really...
Natural beauty.
Yeah.
Okay, naturally witty. Great
I think me.
Great sense of
Yeah, because I think my one-liners are a lot of fun. But also, of course, my husband is extremely witty. There's nobody that can compare, at least Bollywood. But you really need to understand Saif's humor.
In Bollywood, one actor who's naturally so.
This. I don't think even anybody in the world would deny this, that it would undoubtedly be Saif Ali Khan.
Naturally blonde or dumb.
No, I mean naturally blonde. We don't have any blondes in Bollywood. Where?
You're the one person who can't be diplomatic, Kareena. I know you would not.
I'm really. In fact, I'm not, because I don't know. Marriage has kind of sobered me up. I don't know too many of the Bollywood gossips, and I've not even followed any of the Coffee with Karan's.
Yeah.
He would kill me, but I've not even seen mine and Ranveer.
Some quality of Saif or some habit of Saif that comes very naturally to him, but you detest it completely.
Sleeping. Yeah, he's a Nawab, so he loves to sleep. He loves to relax, and that's his thing. If he had his way on a day off, but that's because he's been working really hard of late.
A habit of yours that he doesn't like. Naturally comes to you, but he doesn't like.
Oh, my habit?
Would there be any?
Yeah, I think this you'll have to ask him, but I don't think he can ever not like anything about me.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's BBM. Yeah, because he's like always on your phone, okay, and like, because I'm always chatting with my girlfriends.
Something that naturally comes to Saif and you really, really love.
He has a reason for everything, and he's very understanding when it comes to whether it's understanding things about me or himself. So that's a really good quality I feel to have in a person.